Hey little yogis! I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun and happy adventure. Today's practice is filled with playful moves and peaceful breath to help you feel strong, joyful, and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin our yoga journey. Let's go start. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Strengthens back, legs, and core muscles. Opens chest and improves flexibility. Helps boost energy, improve posture, and support relaxation while making kids feel strong and active. Warrior pose, Virabhadrasana. Builds strength in legs and arms. Improves focus, balance, and stability. Encourages confidence and determination, helping kids feel strong, powerful, and ready to take on challenges. Lion Cobra pose, Simhasana. Releases tension and improves facial muscle strength. Encourages playful expression and boosts confidence. Helps kids reduce stress, improve breathing, and feel brave, energetic, and happy. Child's pose, Balasana. Promotes deep relaxation and calmness. Gently stretches the back, hips, and legs. Helps kids release stress, feel safe, and regain energy while encouraging slow breathing and mindfulness. Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Stretches inner thighs and hips. Improves flexibility and relaxation. Helps calm the mind, reduces stress, and encourages kids to sit comfortably while improving posture and body awareness. Cat-cow pose, Marjariasana Bitalasana. Improves spine flexibility and posture. Encourages deep breathing and relaxation. Helps reduce stress, increases body awareness, and keeps kids calm, focused, and comfortable during movement and rest. Downward dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretches the whole body, especially arms, legs, and back. Improves circulation and flexibility. Energizes kids, relieves tension, and helps them feel refreshed, active, and ready for fun activities.